Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to cover some very important questions that we often get asked with respect to our perspective on the law and also our value system, why we do what we do and how we do it. What's our approach? So our first question that we have today is understanding our background and our motivation for doing what we do and why we do. Sometimes we get asked, Brandon, you've been recognized as a super lawyer, rising star, and a super lawyer in Georgia and South Carolina. What experiences or values shaped my focus in wrongful death and catastrophic personal injury cases? Well, massive question, and at the core of exactly what I do, we meet the legal needs for those that have suffered catastrophic injury or death, wrongful death. Why do we do what we do with respect to those cases? Well, from a very young age, I've always had compassion for other people. I've always had compassion for other people that have been in horrible circumstances or have had things that happen to them outside of their control. And early on as a young man, that compassion just continued to grow, and understanding how can I use this character trait and this gift that I have to enter into other people's lives and help them go through a process after they've been wrongfully hurt. And so as a lawyer, I studied and worked so hard to learn how to fit needs for people that have experienced terrible circumstances. So if a person is hit by a tractor trailer, run off the road and killed, that compassion is exactly what drives us and helps us do what we do and why we do it. The other thing that I think is a success component for us as we have gone to super lawyers across the board in Georgia and South Carolina is our results. Because our compassion drives our results for everything that we do, the results have translated into recognition across the board. But that just comes from hard work, dedication, and understanding the details, which are vast, that goes into every single one of the cases where someone's been hurt catastrophically or killed. So those are the things that we're thankful to be recognized as super lawyers, and those are the things that go into our representation of the great families and people that we get to serve.